Okay, so here's a real quick tutorial on how to add those links into your Seesaw activity. So I'm going to create a new activity. From here I would name my activity, choice board. You can write your instructions here, but most importantly, let's get to how to do those links. So I'm going to add a template for my students to respond in, and I'm going to make sure that I do it in my drawing. When I do it in my drawing here, I like to click a background to put in there. But anyways, to add those links, you can really upload any pictures here, and then from those pictures you can add links or you can make text. So if I go to my text and I add link is here, then I'm clicking these three dots down below. It's going to give my options of maybe styling this a different style. Maybe I want it black, maybe I want it that, maybe I don't want anything on there. You can order it, you can bring it back to front, but right here, this handy dandy little link, you can do link and you can insert any link that you want. So let's say I want to, or already have, my Rockin' Robin link that I got from YouTube. I copied it, I go over to Seesaw, I paste it and click, and then my link is created to this right here. You're going to want to make sure that you either put your text in or your picture in before you create the link. You actually can't do that without creating the link. So if I upload a picture from my computer, that's pretty simple as well. I can upload anything here. Let's say, oh geez, I don't know. We want to add something here. You can either click and drag or you can double click on that, right? Again, here you're going to see that it gives you those three dots options. You can also make this bigger, smaller, whatever it is you want to do, but from those three dots you have all those same options front to back, but you also have that link. So maybe I have a video in there of something that I want to make sure correlates with that, but for this purpose, this is that cat party. Okay, come on. I get my link from YouTube by copying it. Copy. I go back over to my Seesaw activity where the website is. Just gonna paste that in and click. That is it. Then that links that to that. For that choice board, I wanted to make sure that all of my things don't get like moved around by the kiddos. So you want to make sure and you go in and lock those in place, and then they can't move them, make them bigger or smaller. There's really lock, and then I'm locked, making sure that I click up here. Then that template right down here is for the students to access, and then those links are available. I hope that this helped you.